Chapter name is correlation. Topic is product moment method. Correlation by product moment method. This is part 39. To determine the coefficient of correlation, the product moment method was first used by Carl Pearson. Therefore, this method is known as Pearson's method of correlation, and the coefficient obtained by this method is called Pearson's coefficient of correlation. It is denoted by the English letter R, small r. Assumption. The assumption of this coefficient of correlation are as follows. First is correlation obtained by this method is linear. Second assumption is the magnitude of standard deviation affects the correlation. Third is the reliability of this coefficient is highest when the distribution is normal and the value of n, that is number of cases, is large. So these are the three assumptions in this product moment method. Merits of product moment method. What are the merits? So some important merits of this method are as follows or as given below. First merit is this method of coefficient of correlation is calculated on the basis of the mean and standard deviation SD. Therefore, it is more accurate. Second is, hence, this method is used to determine the reliability and validity of psychological test. Third merit is, in addition, this coefficient of correlation is also used for prediction and forecasting. Means for prediction and forecasting, the coefficient of correlation is used. Main methods for finding correlation by the product moment method are as: first is real mean method, second is assumed mean method, third is reduced score method, fourth is method of deviation taken from zero, and fifth one is scattered diagram method. So there are 5 ways through which this product moment method correlation with this product moment method is calculated. So again I am repeating: first is real mean method, assumed mean method, reduced score method, method of deviation taken from zero, and fifth is scatter diagram method. So one by one I will take up in next coming parts. I will cover up all these product moment methods. So please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and those who are on this channel new and they have joined, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, so as the new videos are uploaded, so that you can get the information regarding the new videos. In this way I have covered this 39th part, in which I have discussed product moment method, and this is the theory part of the product moment method. Please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Thank you.